This right here is our next build. It's a 2014 Coyote Mustang, but it's got something special added to it. Right there, a Roush supercharger. I tell you what, we'll be hitting some crowds today. Looking at the damage, it looks like it pushed in the apron. And then looking at the rear support, it looks like it crumpled it up a little bit right here. I'm gonna replace that. The windshield washer fluid looks like cracked right here. Replace that. And the crash bar, maybe fix it up, buff it out. Maybe most likely replace it, and then take to a frame guy. After that, we'll do some body work.
So looking at the modifications on this thing, we got some nice Borla mufflers right here on the back. It's got deleted resonators, deleted cats. On the suspension, it's lowered on strange coilovers, and it's got a whole track bar rear end on it, aftermarket. We got some Nitto NT55s on a nice Ford Star wheel, 19-inch, with some good traction. Then coming to the engine, we obviously got the big old Roush supercharger, and we got some injectors. We got a fuel pressure regulator over here, and we got the heat exchanger reservoir, heat exchanger back here, down here. You see this heat exchanger pump that comes off of CTSV actually, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, should be pretty fast. Should be making about 600 horsepower, so it's gonna get rowdy.
Car's finally at the frame machine. We'll let this guy do his magic and come back and pick it up. Sand it down. I'm gonna go tape it off and lay down some primer. So I sanded everything down, found a dent right here, fixed it up, primered it. Found a dent that went across right here, fixed it up, primered it. Got those fixed up. That should be the last primer spot. Got that sanded down, almost all prepped up, sand the rest of the door, and get all ready for paint, hopefully. I got all the panels prepped, ready for paint. Put them right here, set down the hood, and we'll paint the inside and the out at the same time. taped up. It's ready to put the plastic over it and spray down some paint. Now that I got it done taping up, I'm gonna prep it down for paint. And finally throw down some paint on the rest of the car and be done for the day.
Very nice. Ooh, that's hot.